This is a clip from a previous video. This is the original video, but I was able to turn this video into this without extra lights, without green screen. I did this only using CapCut, and here is how I did it. So the first thing is to open your CapCut. I'm using CapCut Mobile, and note that you can maintain the same background. This effect can still work on it, but I want to change the background, so I'm going to first of all show you that, and I'll show you how you can retain the same background. So I imported the image I wanted to use for my background, and then I clicked on my video, look for overlay, click on overlay, and the video becomes an overlay while the image is on top, as you can see here. So drag the image to cover the length of your video like so. What was wrong? Okay, so click on your video. Don't forget to pinch it to resize it to make it the size of the screen. Okay, so the next thing is to click on your video, look for remove BG, scroll until you see remove BG, click on auto removal, and you wait for the background to be removed. Good. Now once this is done, click on check, and that's it. Click on the background image and scroll to find relight. Click on relight, scroll until you find this one, tail backlight. Click on it again, so you'll be able to adjust and manipulate it the way you want. Now this is it. I usually turn it to point instead of directional. I suggest you do that too. So this is light 1. I'm just going to change the color of the first light to this dark red, and then you can just play with these buttons, adjust. I'm also going to change light 2 to a dark blue, then play with the adjustments, increase the intensity. As you're operating this, as you're trying out these tools, you're looking at your video to, I always say to have fun with it, to figure out what you want. But also I would suggest you reduce the brightness so it will make the background a bit darker to make it, you know, better looking and, you know, different from your video, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to, you know, play with all of this and get what suits me. You can also click on the circle, the light itself, to move it around to achieve what suits you, like I always say. And then down here, as you can see, the light 1 and light 2, you can change them. They automatically come with background selected. If you select people, it focuses on you. If you select both, it focuses on both you and your background, but we're going to leave it at background. Therefore, light 3 mainly focuses on the person, that is me here. And you can just select any color you like as usual. You can actually change the entire color of your video with this tool. It is so cool. Like I always say, CapCut makes things very, very easy for content creators. Now, like I told you, light 3 is focused on people. It automatically comes that way, but you can change it. Once that is done, just click on check, and that's it. You can also go for, just click on this icon up here to take you to your video, your overlay video, and this way you can now adjust your main video. You can add filters, adjust the brightness, saturation, so just so that it can match with your background. So I made an in-depth video where I taught how to generate fake images or fake backgrounds for YouTube videos, and it's on that video that I generated this background I'm using here. So I'm going to link the video down in the description box, so be well to check it out. Once you're done adjusting, the next thing is to click on effects, click on video effects, scroll to find lens, blur, click on it again to adjust the level of the blurriness of the, I keep saying this word, of the background. Okay, this will give it a bit more depth, make it look a bit more natural to an extent. Then extend the blur effect to fill up the length or to reach the length of your video, like so. Good. And once you're done with that, you can just export your video. Now next, I'm going to show you how you can do the same effect while maintaining the main background of your video without changing any background. So first, bring in the video, of course, you want to work on. What you have to do again is to, from the beginning, click on overlay and bring in the same exact video. So you have two of the same video, one up, one down. Once you do that, click on any of the video, usually the overlay, to reduce the volume so it doesn't clash with your main video. Once that is done, click on the overlay again and scroll to find remove background. So again, click on auto remover and wait for it to remove the background. Once that is done, click on check and that's it. Once the background is removed, click on your main video, scroll to find relight, and then you can do the same process of relighting it like I already showed you in the beginning. I'm not going to go through that again, so I don't waste your time. Now this is how my video looks while maintaining the main background after using the relight effect on CapCut. Please let me know your honest opinions in the comment section, and if you have any questions for me, ask them and I will surely answer. And that's it. I'm going to be leaving some links to some really helpful videos for new content creators like myself, so be sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.